They're located just below the lighting options. Pick one that fits your design and adjust it until you get your desired mood. Now open the effects panel from the right side. Increase the color enhancement, slightly boost the dazzling effect, and raise the contrast. And just look at that. The scene instantly becomes sharper, richer, and more dynamic. Everything looks great. Now let's render it. Click on Render, and you can even enlarge the screen too. Check every detail. It'll feel like you're viewing an actual high-resolution render image. From here, you can orbit the camera, adjust lights in real time, or jump to gallery directly to view your saved renders. No need to go back every time. And before you go, if you want to unlock Pro or Elite Coohom features, don't forget to use my promo code in the description below. It'll give you access to exclusive tools, faster rendering, and more professional results. And that's how you create a stunning daytime real-time render in Coohom, step by step. If you haven't watched my previous video, How to Make a Shelf in Coohom, check it out first. I've added it in the I button above. Also, explore my Coohom Masterclass playlist to continue your learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below what you'd like me to cover next, maybe night rendering settings, or know all about the real-time render. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.